Daddy's at home. Cooking?
Dinner.
Dinner.
No, in the car.
No, Daddy's not in the car. He's at home.
In the car.
He's cooking dinner for you and for Mommy.
Car.
Unfortunately, there seems to be no heartbeat. And it's so heartbreaking, guys, no? Good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Tuesday, everyone. And it's currently 1 o'clock ng hapon. And I'm on my lunch break. Daddy Mike is here with his new hairstyle. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang hairstyle, guys. Oh, because, diba, lockdown pa rin kami. So, the hairdressers are still closed. And it's been a while. How long ago was your last haircut, Daddy?
March.
March?
I think so. March or April.
Nah.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Kaya tingnan niyo ang kanyang buhok, guys. Oh, sobrang mahaba na. Natatali na, no? But it's okay kasi it suits him naman. What do you think about it, guys? Let me know in the comment section below kung gusto niyo yung hairstyle ni Daddy ngayon. But yeah, he wants it cut. Maybe, I think next month, okay na, open na yung mga shops, yung mga hairdressers. Pre-COVID, guys, si Daddy Mike, alam nyo, he goes to the barber for at least every 3 weeks, Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, every 3 weeks, nagpapakat talaga yan siya ng buhok. And now, it's been months and months. Wala pala dito yung ating baby girl, guys. Nasa childcare siya today kasi Tuesday. Ako nga din, guys, tingnan nyo ang aking kuko, oh. Hala, ew, talagang tingnan. Before ng COVID, guys, alam nyo, every month or every 5 weeks talaga akong nagpapakulay ng kuko, sa kamay, sa paa. And meron ba akong addiction before, guys? Itong lash extensions, yung mga ganyan. So, dahil sa lockdown, close lahat, kaya wala nang maintain. Pero you know what, guys? The only thing that I'm happy about it is that nakasave ako. Kasi nga, diba, sobrang mahal kaya ng magpakuko dito, guys. Normally, yung ginagawa ko sa kuko ko is SNS. And it's $50 and then, $45 and then $50 sa paa. And then, yung mga paganda-paganda, yung mga lash extensions na mga ganyan, they range from, I'd say, 100 to 150. Yung pinapagawa ko. And yeah, I'm very happy, guys, kasi wala akong nagastos for few months. Pero bawing-bawi din, guys, kasi nag-online shopping si ate. Anyways, yung gagawin pala namin ngayon ay pupunta kami ng grocery store. Kasi sweldo ni Daddy Mike ngayon. Daddy, sweldo?
Sweldo.
Is this your sweldo today?
Yeah, but it hasn't hit yet.
Sweldo ni Daddy Mike today. Mag-grocery shopping daw kami. So, instead na maglakad lang kami, dalhin namin yung sasakyan. Alis na kami, guys. But before kami labas, pakita ko muna sa inyo tong plant natin. Tingnan nyo, oh. Super green na talaga, guys. Buhay na buhay. Ayan, fresh na fresh ang kanyang mga dahon. It looks so good. I love it in that corner. I'm gonna get out. Oh, it's not too bad, Daddy. Umuulan kasi kanina nung dinrop namin si Paris sa childcare, guys. Pero ngayon, wala nang ulan. And it's a bit warm too. Hindi pa siya mahangin, guys. Pero magsasakyan kami ni Daddy Mike. Hindi kami maglalakad kasi may bibit-bitin kami. Mask ready. Oh my God, guys. Meron na silang pang Pasko. Christmas na! We're home, mga peeps! Ayan. Alam nyo yung ginawa namin? Nakalimutan na naman namin yung mga plastic bags. So, it means kailangan na naman namin magbayad ng mga plastic bags. At, you know, kasi medyo naparami yung bili ni Daddy Mike today. Ayan. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plastic bags, guys. Just going to show this to you. Tingnan nyo, oh. Meron silang mga pizza. And this was on sale for 50% guys, off. So from $10, $5 na lang siya. And this is the meat lovers. This is really nice, yung mga pizza na mga ganito. Kasi there are nights na parang we feel lazy and ayaw naming magluto. So very handy pag may ganito ka sa freezer. Alam niyo guys, nakatanggap pala kami ng bad news kahapon. So na-share ko na sa inyo, I think 2 or 3 weeks ago, na yung kaibigan nga ni Daddy Mike, yung asawa niya, ay buntis sa pangalawang pagkakataon. Kasi yung first na binuntis niya, nakunan siya, unfortunately. Kaya sobrang saya nila nung nalaman nila na buntis yung asawa niya ulit. And, pero kahapon guys, nakatanggap na naman ng message si Daddy Mike galing sa kaibigan niya. Kasi sabi ng doktor last time na pumunta sila, I think 8 weeks nung pumunta sila, sabi ng doktor na it's looking good naman daw. Pero, wag na muna i-share sa family na buntis sila. Kasi may tendency pa daw na baka hindi kumapit si baby. But then, yun na nga guys, hindi nila sinabihan yung family nila, I think. Pero kasi nga, meron silang, yung mga barkada ni Daddy Mike, meron silang group chat. So, nagsishare sila doon, lahat sinishare nila. And, so yun, yung unang nakaalam ay yung mga kaibigan. So, bumalik sila last week for another check. And, alam niyo guys, seriously, hindi ko alam kung ano yung naramdaman nila, no? While nasa room sila, tapos sinabihan sila ng doktor ng ganito. Unfortunately, there seems to be no heartbeat. And it's so heartbreaking, guys, no? Hindi ko talaga maisip, hindi ko ma-imagine kung ako yung nasa sitwasyon nila. Kasi they've been there once, and now, twice now, guys. Pangalawang pagkakataon na yun yung narinig nila. And that's very painful na words, no? Like, there seems to be no heartbeat. So, yun bang, feel mo na talaga na magiging parents ka na, and then suddenly, just tick like that. Yun, sabi ng doktor na wala daw heartbeat. At ngayon, obviously, na-depress yung nanay, 'di ba? Kasi, she is blaming herself na iniisip niya baka siya yung dahilan, bakit siya laging nakukunan, ano daw yung ginagawa niyang masama. And, yeah, so ngayon, yung kaibigan nga ni Mike, guys, sobrang stress din kasi stress yung asawa niya. Of course, stress din siya, guys, kasi anak niya yun, 'di ba? Pero mas doble yung stress niya kasi nag-aalala din siya sa asawa niya kasi yung asawa niya, yun nga, parang down na down kasi, yun nga, biniblame niya yung sarili niya. Binigyan sila ni Daddy Mike ng advice, guys. Yung sabi ni Daddy Mike na, what if you just go away for a while? Alam mo yung, parang few days na sa quiet place. Alam niyo yung ganun, guys? Yung maririnig mo lang yung mga huni ng ibon, ganun, para makapag-usap sila ng masinsinan, ng mabuti. So, lang sinabihan ako ni Daddy Mike kahapon, guys, ng news na yun. Sobrang nasaktan din ako para sa kanila. Kasi I know how much they want the baby. And, yun nga, guys. Unfortunately, you know, we can't do anything about it now. But, I am hoping and praying na sana ibigay na ni Papa God sa kanila yung gusto nila na baby. But, yeah. I'm sending, you know, hugs and prayers to them, guys. And hopefully they will feel better very soon because I know it's not easy. Guys, tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, nagluto pala si Daddy Mike ng pizza. Ito pala yung kasamahan ng pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Kasi the other day, pumunta si Daddy Mike doon sa IGA, doon sa grocery. And binili niya to kasi nakasale din. Ayan. So, ito yung inuna niya. Tapos, yung dalawang bago nandun sa freezer. What's this one, Bob?
You want to cut it for me?
So, it's got salami, bacon, pineapple, and... was that spinach?
No, there's no spinach. Can you put it on the...
And olives. It's 5 o'clock ng hapon and kakatapos ko lang mag-work, guys. I'll go pick up Paris, pero si Daddy Mike hindi siya sasama kasi magluluto siya ng dinner. Tingnan niyo siya, guys, ha? Ang ating chef. What are you cooking tonight, Chef?
Stir-fry pork noodles.
istorbohin ko muna si Daddy Mike, guys, bago ako umalis. So, ito yung kanyang minced pork. This one, Maria? Minced pork. Ayan, nilagyan niya na ng garlic. Tapos, ito yung gagamitin niyang noodles. Thin egg wok ready noodles. Ayan. Binili namin kanina sa RGA. And then, niready na din niya yung mga, ang tawag dito, yung isasama niya dito sa lulutuin niya. So, merong carrots. What's this one, Babay?
Baby corn.
Baby corn. And then, may mga chilies. Ayan.
Wash your fingers, eh? They're very hot.
Yeah, okay. And then, what's this for? What's this for?
Like omelette cut up.
Ah, okay. So, ayan, meron ding egg, guys. And then, ang dami nilabas dali dito. May oyster sauce. May soy sauce. Are you gonna put this one too? Fried shallots. And yung natanggap niya sa mail the other day, chili. Run in chili.
It's like sesame oil, chili, garlic.
Yeah, everything in one bottle. Anyways, I have to go, guys, kasi kailangan ko pang magpagasolina before natin pick up si Paris. Kasi kunti na lang yung gasolina, guys. Baka magtulak pa kami ni Paris. Okay, I'll see you soon, guys. I'll see you soon, Daddy. Here's your water bottle. Is it there? There it is! Good job, Shoma, maybe? Wow! Yummy water. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang buhok, guys. Water, yum yum? Good job. Hi! Did you have a good day? Uy, imong buhok na ako. Grabe ka gubot na. Kisa si Mama. Kisa si Mama. I love you. I love you. Have a look. Where's Daddy?
Daddy's in the car.
Daddy's not in the car. Daddy's at home. Cooking.
Dinner.
Dinner.
No, in the car.
No, Daddy's not in the car. He's at home.
In the car.
He's cooking dinner for you and for Mommy.
Car.
Wala lagi. Let's go have a look if Daddy's in the car. Go. Come on.
Fish.
This one. This one on the photo. This one. Uy, this one ba?
Tiffany.
Tiffany. Yun yung guys, oh, kilalang-kilala na. Come on, let's go now. The baby's crying. What's the color of the light when we stop?
Red.
Red. How about when we go?
It's that for down.
It's yellow for slow down, but how about if we go?
Green.
Green. Good job, my love.
Mommy?
What's for slow down?
Mommy.
What's the color when you slow down?
Green.
No, slow down.
Yellow.
Yellow. Great job. We're home now.
Mommy, what's this?
What's that? That's your boots.
What's this?
That's your boots. Come on now, Daddy's waiting.
What's this, Mommy?
That is your pants. Your black pants.
What's this?
What's that?
It's boo-boo.
It's a whoop. Knock on the door, knock. Call Daddy. Excited na excited si baby girl. Knock. Call Daddy.
Daddy!
Go. Careful. Ikaw na nanuktok mo. No, nga pares.
Come.
Come ka, Daddy.
Look at the stair.
Woohoo!
Daddy!
Is that Daddy? Is that Daddy, nak?
Was school fun?
I fell down.
Did you fall down?
I fell down the outside.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
You're a strong gal.
I did what he said.
Did you hurt your head?
It didn't hurt.
Did you hurt your head?
Did you really?
Did you hurt your arm?
No, in the head.
Okay.
It's Daddy.
Show Daddy. Let me daddy kiss.
I'm in the bandage.
You have a bandage on your head. Who put the bandage on, Sarah Jane?
Never. This is her
She
son.
didn't like that, Peach.
Doesn't like it.
No.
You don't like it?
No.
Okay.
So guys, Paris is working from home.
What's the grandpa?
Yeah? Are you working from home?
My is saw. What's this?
What's that? That's keyboard. Keyboard.
Dad.
Ayan oh. Pinakuha ko kay Daddy Mike itong wiring niya ba para hindi siya
Mommy.
work. Yes,
My
honey?
what's this? What's the rubber band?
Where's what? Show me letter O.
There.
O.
There.
O ba O?
Oh.
Yay! Good job.
That's zero.
That's 0. That's right.
No.
Where is letter C? C. No.
It's not.
Look first.
It's that.
That's B.
It's T.
C. Yoo-hoo! Where is letter L?
That's zero.
L. L.
There.
That's M. Palangga kay sa mama. Nak. Mommy.
There.
Mommy is the boss.
Not first is the bus.
Mommy is the boss.
No, first is the bus.
Mommy is the boss.
First is the bus.
Mommy is the boss.
No, first is the bus.
Mommy is the boss. You say it.
Mom.
Oh, I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry. Oh, do you want to call the doctor?
No.
Nino, Nino.
No,
Ay,
no, mommy.
no? Work na.
Want to eat, mommy.
So, it's now 10 o'clock ng gabi. And, as you can see, ayan, meron tayong paganyan sa ating ulo. Nandito ko ngayon sa bathroom, guys, kasi maghihilamos na ako. Ang ating baby girl ay nakatulog na. At nung lumabas ako ng kwarto, nakalimutan ko yung glasses ko. Kaya hindi ko kayo makita-kita, guys. Like, seriously, kahit malaki na yung bow sa ulo ko, hindi ko siya makita sa camera. So, if ever na hindi ako mag-focus, pasensya na. But, dinala ko yung ating positive quote of the day para ma-share ko sa inyo. And it says, everything I need is within me. Ayan. So, yes guys, si Paris ay nakatulog na kasi na-feel ko kanina mga 8:30. She was a bit suki na and then, yeah, I think she was very tired kasi yung mata niya parang gumaganon-ganon na. Oh. Kaya pinadede ko na siya. And yun, nakatulog na ang ating baby. Napaghilamos na ako guys and then nalagay ko na rin yung ating night cream 1 and 2. And then hinihintay ko lang ngayon na mag 5 minutes and ilalagay natin yung last one na night cream 3. Ayan. So, habang naglalagay ako ng cream kanina, guys, sobrang sweet ni Daddy Mike. Tingnan nyo. Dinalhan niya ako ng lemongrass tea. Lovely. Anyways, i-end natin yung vlog dito, guys. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. And welcome sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung vlogs natin. And we are just going to do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Lisan Bansil from Lubao, Pampanga. Igipil Black from Washington State. Lovella Raduk from Iloilo City. And also pakibati daw sa kanyang anak na nagmumodule na si Kizia Elaine Raduk. Shout out to Arlene De Torres from Taguig. Mercedita Oypala from Mualboal, Cebu. Shout out to Lynn Ahmad, Hazel Pasatiempo, Susing Sales, Itis Antoja, Edeline Manosa, Riza Paguntalan, April and Zine Vlog, Maria Rosel Sanchez, Ligaya Palma, Vicky Inot. Shout out to Mary Grace Vida, Rosalyn Firolino, Ellen Abordo, Christina Lee, Cherry May Ongayo, Evelyn Tamayo, Hannah Sarmines, Clarice Torres, and Joanne Owano. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!